Hey guys, it's Mixlop here, and the footage you're seeing right now is Star Fox 64 3D for the 3DS. Doesn't really have much to the topic I'm talking about, but I haven't played the game in a while and I'd just like to show you some footage because it is quite a good game. Okay, so the thing I'm going to talk about is a Zelda month that me and Zelda fan will be doing on our joint channel, The Girltastic Show, because it has recently got 50 subscribers and we decided to do something for that. So we'll be doing 2 to 4 videos every day for a whole month, and I'll post a link to the playlist very soon on this channel. And as you can see, I've got my intro back and working, which is quite good. So yeah. And also, for the 50 subscriber special, we're going to be having a Super Smash Bros. Brawl tournament with 4 of the Girltastic Show members, which will be good fun. And I'm going to start work on an intro for the Girltastic Show with gameplay footage in, and yeah, it'll just be a great 50 subscriber special. And yeah, thanks for subscribing to the Girltastic Show. If you haven't and you're watching this video, go subscribe. If you like my videos, then you'll love the Girltastic Show ones. It's me and Zelda fan working together to make really good gameplay videos, reviews, discussions, top 10s, everything really. So yeah, go check out the Girltastic Show. I'll leave a link in the description, and remember to comment, rate and subscribe.